Welcome viewers. Introduction about this video. Our way of training is totally different, but you can learn easily and quickly. Just do like this. First time watch our video patiently. Second time listen our video with your eyes closed. You will understand the complete details which are in our video. Today's lesson: simple, complex and compound sentences. Understand this video referring our spoken English all on one sheet, which is in the PDF. We are the first people to teach the complete, simple, complex and compound sentences in just a minute. Please send your valuable views about this video through comments, likes, etc. We teach on formula base. It is the starting point of the sentence only. Whatever the sentence you read in a book or read in a newspaper, or if you hear what somebody says, or even if you speak, there will be our formula. You can check it. That means our formula is the starting point of the sentence only. So, understand the details of our spoken English all on one sheet. By doing this, you can easily learn grammar points. Also, you will get the confidence to speak in English at once. We explained all the tenses in our previous videos. You can see a set of each 5 lines in all the tenses. Those are all the types of sentences only. 1. Positive sentence. 2. Negative sentence. 3. Question sentence. 4. Negative question sentence. And 5. Question word sentence. It is enough if you remember the below given 3 points only. 1. If a sentence has a formula, then it is a simple sentence. Example: He is Kumar. Subject plus is plus C. 2. If a sentence has 2 formulas, then it is a compound sentence. Example: It is good, but I don't like it. Subject plus is plus C. Subject plus don't plus V1. 3. If a sentence has a formula and a formula with some prefix like if, when, till, unless, etc., then it is a complex sentence. Example: If you say, I will come. If plus subject plus V1. Subject plus will plus V1. Now, you can easily say whether a sentence is a simple or complex or compound sentence. To start speaking in English first time, it is enough if you watch our videos only many times. Learn all the tenses from our previous videos. You will definitely get the confidence to speak in English. Speaking in English is a habit. So make it a habit to speak in English from today. First start speaking at home, then with friends, then sometimes practice in your mind. Send your doubts through comments. Good luck to all the viewers. Welcome viewers.